What's up, everybody? It's the Common Sense Investor coming at you with another video. And in this video, we're asking the question, hey, Gary, where's the money? Because I know a lot of people are excited that Gary Gensler has said he's going to resign January 20th. And I say, hold everything, Gary. Where's the money? Now, let me introduce you real quick to this phrase, disgorgement. A lot of y'all already know what it means. Some of y'all don't, so let's all get on the same page here. Disgorgement is a legal remedy that requires a party to give up profits they made through illegal or unethical conduct, okay? In other words, if they get caught with a $10 million fraud, the courts can sentence them to $10 million disgorgement, taking away from them the illegal profit that they gained during the crime, okay? Now, the reason I bring up disgorgement is it's part of the press release that the SEC recently released to the public, and it was the SEC announces enforcement results for the fiscal year 2024, okay? And it goes on to say, the Securities and Exchange Commission today announced that it filed 583 total enforcement actions in fiscal year 2024, while obtaining orders for $8.2 billion in financial remedies, the highest amount in SEC history. The $8.2 billion in financial remedies consisted of $6.1 billion in disgorgement. We just read that. They took back illegally gained profits from them, and prejudgment interest, also the highest amount on record, and $2.1 billion in civil penalties where they sued them in court, the second highest amount on record. Approximately 56% of the $8.2 billion financial remedies is attributable to a monetary judgment obtained following the SEC's jury trial win against Terraform Labs and Don Juan, who were charged with one of the largest securities fraud in U.S. history. That's going to be important in a moment. But here's the part that I find interesting. In fiscal year 2024, the SEC distributed $345 million to who? Harmed investors, making more than $2.7 billion returned to investors since the start of fiscal year 2021. That's just to have a big number up there. Why would you try to gauge it from 2021? But the point is this. How can you claim that you took $6.1 billion in disgorgement from the bad actors that committed fraud on Wall Street, on me and my other retail investor friends? $6.1 billion was recovered from all their fraud, and the SEC returned $345 million of that $6.1 billion to harmed investors. Where's the rest of the money then? Now, some people would lay the argument that, well, the SEC uses fines and stuff like that to run the SEC. Well, it just so happens I got the SEC's fiscal year 2023 budget request, and it tells me that it costs $2.15 billion for the fiscal year of 2023. All right, which is almost $240 million more than they sought in 2022. They were asking for a raise to $2.15 billion to run the SEC for the year. All right? So, you took in $8.6 billion worth of fines and disgorgement, and your budget's only $2.15 billion. Why should Congress approve your budget increase if you're bringing in $8.2 billion in the year of 2024? You got enough just from them fines to run the SEC for the next 3.5, 4 years. But what happened to the money? They didn't give it to the harmed investors. They only gave them $345 million, and they kept the rest. Where's the money, Gary? Love y'all. Be blessed. Next video is going to be about, is naked short selling legal? I'm fixing to crush that belief in the next video. Love y'all. Be blessed. See you in the next video.